Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be doing another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course do your own personal research, and do your own personal practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be analyzing the market together. These are the assets we will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading tips. Okay, as for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable, just like every other one, just the way others have been doing. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000, and of course I'm on 5-minute time frame, and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. This has been on uptrend right from here. You can see it right from here till it got to this resistance zone. Right from there it started the downtrend, so till it got to this region. It's pulling back at the moment. After the pullback, it will try out this support zone again and see if it will break out from there. Once it breaks out from there, then it will continue to sell, but if it does not, it will go back on buy trend again. Okay, so for now it is buying at the moment until it is done with a pullback. Okay, it is buying at the moment. If it's done with the pullback, then it will continue with the sell trend. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500, and of course still on 5-minute time frame. This had been on a very strong downtrend, got to this support zone about 2 times now. It has not been able to break out from there, so it's trying to go back on uptrend, but we need it to break out above this resistance zone. Once it breaks out above this particular resistance zone, then it's going to buy more. Okay, but we should be expecting more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity from here, most especially if it's unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. This had been on a very strong uptrend, but it has gotten to this resistance. It's unable to break out from there, so this will be crashing more at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 500. Okay guys, this is crash 500. This had been on a very strong downtrend right from there, and of course it got to this support zone, was unable to go beyond that. So at the moment it's going back on uptrend, most especially once it breaks out above this resistance zone, so it will be buying more. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, the last asset we'll be checking out is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. Still on 5-minute time frame. I'm still using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right here. Okay guys, this had been on downtrend for a very long time, and of course right now it's going back into an uptrend. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment, even though it is finding it difficult to break out above this resistance zone, so it will be approaching it again. So this is still going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, so all you just need to do is just to make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.